Hey Royal Family, how is everyone doing? All right, I know I've been missing in action, you guys. It's been so much, it's been so much going on. My sister just had knee surgery. I've been just all over the place. I'll tell you guys a little secret. I'm trying to get my scones into Denny's and IHOP and the other few places. So I've been really hitting the ground running. But I've neglected you guys, and I am so sorry. Because I do have some ride or dies, and I do have some new subscribers that I really want to thank you for subscribing with me lacking. I know, there's no excuse. You guys were my family first. But I am going to do a video today, so please make sure you have your notifications on. What type of video? I don't know yet. I'm thinking about, us going ahead and go into Thanksgiving, try to get some nice, inexpensive recipes and take shortcuts. Because when I've been in these stores lately, oh my Lord, and I can just imagine, both of my kids are grown. I can just imagine people with 3 and 4 kids. You're gonna have to start shopping wisely, especially with your protein. You're gonna have to stretch the protein to where you can make at least 2 dishes out of it and just stack up on your cheaper items that are still healthy, like your vegetables. Vegetables are still pretty reasonable, but we're gonna have to cut the protein and make it into 2 dishes. So let me think about what I'm going to make. I'm gearing toward Thanksgiving dishes. Sorry, you guys, a phone call came in and it just cut you guys off. So please make sure you stay tuned because I am going to do a video today. Enjoy your day. Get out and have some fun. And Mrs. O will see you later on this evening. Stay safe. God bless you guys. See you in a little bit. Bye.